How to change the color of the header on only one page of Wix. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how to change the color of the header on only one page of Wix. So let's get started with the video without wasting any time. First you have to come to your home page or dashboard of Wix and click this edit site button on the top right corner of your screen. Once you click this button, you are going to land over here on your Wix website editor. Here you can see that this is my header option or header bar. I'm going to double click this and here you can see that I get this pop-up of change header design or quick edit. Here I have chosen no color, so that's why it's transparent. Now if you choose a color, it will just put the color into it, and here you can customize the design. Here you can discover more headers if you want, and these are specific colors. For example, if I add this one, now you can see that if I go to pages and menu, and here if I come to the policy page, here you can see that in the policy page it has added color to this header too. It's adding the color to all of my pages headers. If I want it to be for specifically one, I'm going to just click these three dots here, and then I'm going to go to edit settings, and here once I click edit settings, I'm going to go to layout and click no header and footer. And you can see the header and footer has been removed and there's no color now. Now you have to do this for all of these, for the ones you want to remove the header color and put it for the specific one. Now if you want to add a block or a transparent or anything different color, just add a rectangle box over there if you want to manually do that. So I hope you like the process, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.